Give me a little spice. Is that our last one? What is happening here? Hey guys, welcome to episode 4 of Date Night. Tonight we were switching things up, doing a little bit of a challenge. We see all over YouTube people are doing this bird box challenge. So the missus was like, hey, let's just see if you can do this blindfold. And I said, sure, if I cut a finger, I cut a finger. It's not a big deal, right? Fingers heal. So today we're doing Korean beef. I'm wearing a toque. I can cover my eyes. I will not be able to see. I'm going to start my carrots, my onions, and then do my beef into strips. And then I'm going to marinate it for about 2.5 hours. If you do it overnight, it's better the more tender it is. And yeah. Okay, well, let's just get this thing going. Holy f***, this is good. Obviously, kids, don't do this at home. I'm doing this because I've been doing it for years. My sous chef was like, well, you know, this is probably not safe. You should do one on just safety first. And I said, well, you know what?
You gotta live and die by the sword. My sword.
Oh. Actually, those are pretty good. Those are actually pretty good. Bird box got nothing on me. Is it nerve-wracking to watch me cut?
Yeah, it's the most anxiety-inducing thing I've done in 2019.
Anya just won't leave the table. Should we just cut like this? Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm only going to use a quarter of an onion here. I'm hoping this is not too thick. I do not want thick onion. I just want thin onion. Oh, I touched my nail there. Daredevil got canceled by Netflix, and I'm here to replace him as the cook. Oh my god, I gotta figure out where the bowl is. Okay, this is it. How much onion do I got? I can smell it. It's quite a bit. Oh my god, there's a lot of carrots. That is a lot of vegetable. No one stopped me. That's crazy. I don't want that bit. I can feel that. Holy scheisse. Okay, now we're running into the beef part, the fun part. This is definitely what I need here. Find out my beef. Oh, right there. That was good. And obviously, the weird part is that's a knife. Yeah, that's definitely the knife. So I got my beef here. It's on my cutting board already because I moved it there. It's just your basic round steak. We're going to cut it thin. We're going to marinate it. Let's just hope it works out. Obviously, it's going to work out, but I can't see it coming. But let's turn my knife over. We're just going to cut it into thin strips here. Should be fine. But the question is, am I actually cutting it? I can actually feel it, yeah, I'm cutting it. It's really easy. It's great for barbecues because you can stretch out 2 steaks, put a little bit of rice with it, and people love it. And it doesn't cost you so much. Life on a dime. Bowl. So we're going to put it in here. Ooh, that's a carrot. That's good. So, now my spices here. My sauces, my spices. This is definitely one of my favorites. Poison. I like it. I'm hoping it's going in the bowl. I think it is. Alright. I got it quite a bit in there. That's fine. I'll wash my hands. Holy. Where's the lever? Alright, going back to it. It's over here, isn't it? Did I put it back over here? I'm way out of context here. Here we go. Okay. Poison, great sauce. I like using my cooking. This here, that's definitely salty. That's soy sauce. A little bit there. This is fun. This is a great time. Great time. This is sesame oil. I only need a little dab. There we go.
Why are you holding it in your hand?
I don't hold anything in it.
You're pouring it on your hand like it's moisturizing.
No, I'm not. Oh, it's barely on my hand.
They're glistening in the light.
Alright, I need this right here. This right here is some good old Canadian honey. Now, where's the entrance to this? First try, I got this. Alright. Did that even go in? Well, shit. I feel like that one didn't go in.
That's what she said.
Okay, so here's my bowl. Here's some honey on the side of it. Cool. We get the majority of it in. There's a lid somewhere. This right here, good old fashioned cola. I use it to tenderize my beef. It's great flavor as well. But that definitely made it in the bowl. Okay, now the fun part. This right here, spices. I like my spices. Everyone likes spices. All right. This is definitely onion powder. This is freaking frustrating. I can't see a thing. No, that's the spatula drawer. Probably the one and only time I'll actually measure here. It's so funny, Jess. Jess, you can't laugh.
Dayte, I gotta give you a tip here. What utensil did you grab?
Okay, I grabbed a fork. That's cool, guys. Real cool. I got some in there, didn't I?
No, not really.
Oh, great stuff, guys. Okay, there we go. We got some onion powder. Oh, we got the lid. Where is it? You know, like, even though I have a blindfold on, I still close my eyes. Oh, that's black pepper. Oh. That was close to sneezing. Come on, lid. Man, I'm making a mess over this one section. Alright, what's this one? That smells like ginger. You only need a little bit of ginger, and for me, it's lucky enough that I can't see, so. Sounded feels like small amount of ginger. This. So. Oh, I think that's too far. Come here, little spice. Is that our last one? What is happening here? This must be garlic powder. That's not garlic powder, that's paprika. Oh, that's ginger. Okay, well this has been a great time. Alright, so we're gonna mix it all around. It should be all in there. We're gonna make sure it's all mixed around. I'm gonna throw it in my fridge for about 2 hours. I'm just doing it because I want to eat tonight, not tomorrow. And then, oh, and I forgot one thing. Second thought, we're gonna have one more thing. I like a little bit of spice. So we're gonna look in my fridge for some spice. Oh, that's gonna be a mess later. I think this is it. That's definitely not it. I don't want sandwich spread. This is it. Whew, that's spicy. Come on, bowl. Just a bit. I felt it. I had a finger there. It's all good. Living on the edge. And brown sugar. This. Too loose. This. Scoop it up. No, that's tea bags. That's it right there. That's what I want. Oh. Obviously that didn't make it in. The brown sugar definitely has a nice feel when you feel it, obviously. But we use the brown sugar to sweet up. A lot of Korean food is also spicy and sweet, so you kind of want to balance it out. Brown sugar is a good compensate for it. Anyways, I'm gonna throw this in the fridge and we should be good. Actually, I'll just give this a mix first. There's dual spoons. Nice. It's like chopsticks. So it's just gonna be quick and easy. I'm gonna throw it in the fridge and then 2 hours we'll come back. We're gonna cook this. And that's it for 2 hours.